In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use presets in Affinity Photo. Presets are ready-made adjustment settings that instantly style your image, giving you consistent, polished results without having to build a look from scratch every time. Start by going to Affinity Photo so your image is front and center. At the top, click Pixel. This ensures you're working with regular pixel-based edits, which is exactly where adjustment presets come into play and will behave as you expect across your layers. Now hover to New Adjustments. When you hover there, you'll see a menu of powerful correction tools. This is your hub for presets. Choose the kind of correction you need. If overall brightness is the issue, pick exposure. For simple tonal tweaks, select brightness, contrast. If color needs attention, go with white balance or HSL. You'll also find curves and other options for more precise control. As soon as you choose an adjustment, its panel opens. At the top of that panel, look for the preset options associated with that adjustment. Click a preset to apply it instantly. Your image updates live so you can evaluate the change right away. From there, use the sliders in the same panel to fine-tune the result, treating the preset as your starting point rather than the final word. A few practical tips as you work. Pick the adjustment type that matches your goal first, then audition a couple of presets to get close quickly. Subtle slider moves often go a long way, so ease them in. If a preset feels too strong, reduce its intensity with the adjustments controls. Instead of abandoning it, this keeps the look cohesive while dialing it back to taste. And remember, these adjustments are non-destructive, so you can revisit the panel at any time, switch to a different preset, or refine the settings without harming your original image. That's the workflow. Go to Affinity Photo, click Pixel at the top, hover to New Adjustments, and choose the adjustment you want to apply its built-in presets quickly and confidently.